Imagine yourself in this 1952 milligrams TD. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are steel wheels, wood grain steering wheel, MGT registry member number 3738, chrome air cleaners on the SU carbs, MG body type 22381, car number TD 15916 and engine number XPAG 16179. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.